Well, last week I had the opportunity to go to HPE Discover 2024 in Las Vegas. The theme of the event was AI, and for HPE, it's all about AI. HPE announced NVIDIA AI Computing by HPE at the show, and part of that portfolio is something called HPE Private Cloud AI. And I'm excited about this product because it'll allow you to bring a completely engineered solution, bring it right into your building, your colo location, you plug it in, 3 clicks later, you have a fully implemented AI solution. Generative AI offers the possibility for vast improvements in the human experience. For me, the real emotional hook was what it can do in healthcare and agriculture and really making changes to the world. And the companies that learn to harness generative AI are going to have huge advantages over their competitors. At PT, we've been working at breaking down the key components of AI for many years, and we have the engineers and the developers that understand these complex AI technologies, and we're looking forward to helping buyers everywhere reach their AI goals.